Sana Hi, Danny. Sana before makakakota ako. Pag-pray natin. Pag-pray niyo ako. Na may dumating na hike ko na, may dumating na angel sa akin, tapos nakalagay, Happy Kotla, sarap. When? Pinakamataas ko, 15. Iyak talaga ako pag nakakuta ako. Hi, Danny. How are you, Danny? Singaporean. One of my dream country. Hi, baby. Hi, love. Wait for me in Singapore. Not now, but soon. I need to save some. I'm going to work there. Okay, I wait. Thank you, love. Sana, I hope I can get quota. Angel, come to me. I don't bite. Just the 3,400, I will be so happy for the 15K quota. Too much happy. But I don't know what to, I don't know what to content. By the way, I'm right. You're from Singapore, Danny. Now that I'm alone. Hi, Manuel. You're from Singapore? If I'm not mistaken. Hi, just want some spaghetti. It's been months for some reason I just and I'm stronger than these. No more walking around with my head down. Singaporean Chinese. Singaporean people are nice. So done with wishing you were still here. Shadow so sick of love song. So sad and slow. Magandang gana. Maganda. Gandang gana. You can speak your language with me. I can translate it. Okay, gagi, nagpipigay ka nung isang araw pag napakasakit ng ulo ko nun. Nakaano lang ako. Background. See, that's the reason I'm so sick of love song. So tired of Baby Shark. Really? How unlimited? They said I'm stuck. Okay ka na? Maybe I'm too exhausted. Because I'm always staying late. Like, my head, it's like crushing. Been so up too late. Oh, sleep early na. I can't. Yeah. I can't rest yet. Because after this one, this phone, I just borrowed it lang na. Every time, maybe I'm not busy. You make hugot ah.